Yep, it's El Proto again, All One Pro Studio, and today I want to show you something that really got me worked up when I started using FL20, and that is this. Normally when you want to cut your track, if you just move like this, it moves and you bring it back. But when I got off FL20 the first time, it just goes like this and every other thing cut. And I was like, what's this? Ctrl Z. And I was like, what's this? How can I fix this? And how can I get this working? I discovered that it was this place here. Yeah, this thing, this stretch. If you have that issue now, you can fix it for yourself, because I was looking for how to fix this. Want to show it to anyone who is facing the same challenge in going about this stretch thing in the playlist. So when it's like this stretch place, if I move it, it will move well, as normal, and it comes like this. That's left click there, and it comes like this. When I move it, every other audio part of that work will be cut back like this. Ctrl Z. Okay, I drag this one back. Everything remain the same. That is, if it's not part of the same audio, from what I noticed, it will be the same thing, it will be untouched. But the one that is part of this audio will be the one that is dragged back. And you notice it does not cut it, it just kind of reduces the size. So let's listen to this. I'm still working on this. All one, guys. Out comes the broom, judgment looms. Now, if I drag it back, now let me play it again. Aha! What is that? Let me just bring it. So to fix that, you just have to hit this place here, and it is fixed. When you have the box, you know you are normal. But when you have this pin thing, dot, whatever, this like this, you know the normal is not there. Now let me take this one for instance. Okay, it's not normal now. Let's leave the pin. If I cut this audio into 3 parts, now let me now drag it. You see these two will reduce in size. It's not that they cut inside, but what happens is they just become smaller. See, these two, they become smaller because I cut this place, and the audio files that are linked to this one will now do the same shrinking kind of thing. Now if I make this one unique, let me make that one unique. Now this one is now unique. Now let me drag this one. It won't affect this one because I've made this unique. And that also goes for if you drag them. For instance, let me bring this one here. If I stretch it out, you see this one to stretch out. If I bring it back, okay, you see what happens there. I've done this before in the other videos, so just come here. Let me show you anyway. Ctrl Z. Just come here and left click and go to make unique. Okay, I've done this before, so that's why it's bringing that up. No, I don't want to make unique. Now if I drag the unique one, it won't affect these two. So you get the concept. So hope you've gotten a thing or two. I'll leave a track by our All One guys. I'll leave a link to one of their songs in the description of this video. And if you have any kind of video you want me to do for you, you hit me up. And if you need a special nice unique beat, you can just hit me up also. I'll fix it for you. Like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing when we upload a new video. I'm El Proto. This is All One Pro Studio. That's it. I'm the best. I am alive.